guys, so welcome back to another vlog. So we're here in Glorieta right now. It's already 2:30 p.m. Magbibiyake muna kami for desserts. At kinikrave ko na since weekend bar, since last week. So we're here today to finally look for an outfit for our ceremony.
Nakabahan ako.
Nakabahan na siya sa ceremony. Ako kaya nakabahan ako dun sa outfit. Kasi hindi ako sure kung may mahanap ako maganda. Wala pa akong peg in mind eh. Basta gusto ko lang dress and syempre classy. So hopefully, may mahanap naman ako today.
Yeah. By the way, we got medium-sized cup ng yogurt nila.
Yeah. And of course, our ever so favorite caramelized cookie sauce.
So we'll update you guys later kung saan kami
May
makakahanap
mahanap
or kung may mahahanap kami.
Yes, because it's 2 weeks out from our ceremony. So, ngaragan lang.
Sobrang kabado.
Don't try it. So, this should be a bit lighter. Kaso wala dito yung pinili ko online. Basically, ito yung pinili ko. And then, slush. So, this should be lighter yellow. Yung buttermilk. So, yan. Yun yung binili ko online. So excited! Guys, this is piña. Pero buttermilk talaga yung kinuha ko. So, they don't have it right now. So, this is the colors. This is the colors I chose. Kasi it reminds me of the sunset in Pico. Super ganda. Gusto ko yung takip ko yung dito eh. Ito naman ako.
I'm gonna try this one.
Okay, go. Hey guys, so aura-aura muna tayo habang nag-fitting si Moon.
Daya!
Nasa sense kita.
Dapat gugulatin ko na siya. Ang dami akong times pwede magulat siya. Pero sabi ko, gusto ko mag-vlog. And then yung time na gumagana na yung video, nakalingon na pala siya. So nasisense daw na niya ako na nasa likod na ako. So, it's a fail. Anong binili mo?
Ito? It's cocoa. Mango green tea. Sarap.
Ano nahanap po ba?
Cookies ni Mom.
So, dito na kami sa SM Supermarket. And yun na yung last agenda for today. Since we're done looking for our outfit for our ceremony. And it was a successful one kasi nakahanap na kami today and hindi kami nahirapan. So, sa akin na lang is shoes na lang hulang ko. Titingnan ko kung meron akong magagamit sa bahay. Pag wala, tsaka ako titingin outside. Pero siya, complete na ang kanyang look.
So happy. Imbis nakahanap. Malapit po siya sa may SMDC. Yung condo doon. Medyo
Ganda, Doki. Sorry kayo.
sobra fresh. Yan.
Hi guys, today is another work day and we're here at Makati Clinic and I'm with Burns. So for today, we are going to shoot content for Mamang Pokwang and siguro BTS lang kaya kong ma-shoot later on because we'll be working at mag-shoot din tayo ng behind the scenes for the vlog. So, busy yung katabi ko, meron din siyang ginagawang work. And then, baka may i-pick up kaming order ng yogurt ni Mumi after ng clinic.
I miss the yogurt.
So, yun yung ating plans for today.
So, the treatments naman, meron tayong
Makatulong. Hindi lang kailangan ko sumagot sa mga text. Dapat 2 inches po agad ang nabahaw sa akin. Ang sarap. And you, angels.
Thank you, ingat po.
Bye. Thank you.
Isibido na kayo. Hi guys! So, nasa Marikina kami ngayon and we're here sa Tambuli Shoes Shop. So, kasama Sir Vic,
Sir
si Ate
Vic,
Shi,
thank you. Ate Shi,
si Ninja.
si Ninja
Nawala si
nag-bounce.
So, I'm here kasi magpapa-customize tayo ng shoes for our wedding. Natin, Kian.
Yung iba, nahiligyan ng protector, pero yung iba naman, hindi eh. Hindi mo nadudulas. Tataasin niya at liligyan ng ano rito para tumaas to.
Okay.
Pagka hindi natin ginan.
Dapat pa ako.
Hindi excited ako saan.
Kung anong gusto mo, pwede rin yun.
Pwede,
dito.
pwede
Oo.
magkakaroon.
Pwede siyang magkaano.
Hindi pa. Na-purpose lang yung ano niya. Doing pa rin kaya sa akin. Sabi niya.
Ayaw mo lang, hindi ganyan yung sula.
Oo.
Ganda.
Iba ng color.
Guys, kuha na kayo.
Siya, trendset.
Best for So guys, dumating na yung mag-pick up ng laundry and kailangan na namin ibaba to. Tapos bawal makat yung delivery guy or yung mag-pick up. So, let's go. Hi guys! Today is
Guys.
another vlog and we're here sa Ellis again because kaka-check out lang ng isang guest namin. And I'm not sure if you guys are interested in this kind of content but this is a continuation ng ating Ellis series or R&D Suites project. So we're here right now kasi dapat meron tayong cleaner na maglilinis dito sa unit after na mag-check out ng guest. And it turns out wala pa rin siya and nag-aantay kami sa kanya kung
I feel like-
dadating ba.
Nakalimutan ni ate girls.
So as you've seen from the clips earlier, kami na yung nagtanggal ng mga sheets. So normally yung process namin, chine-check muna namin yung mga
Unit.
inventory namin sa unit. So nagtanggal na kami ng sheets for pick up na siya sa laundry. So apart from that, ang gagawin natin ngayon is mag-edit ng vlog for tomorrow! So, ngayon, hindi namin alam kung dadating siya o hindi.
I feel like hindi na siya dadating. So, should we be the one to clean it? Kaso, I pulled my back. So, I can't do much
Yeah.
right now.
Pero, buti na lang, hindi ganun kakalat yung last guest namin. Kaya, hindi naman siya urgent. Kasi wala naman din ganun kalilinisin masyado. yung mga basic lang na kailangan linisin.
So baka pwedeng tomorrow na to or
Oo.
kung kailan sumagot yung cleaner.
So basically, nagtanggal na kami ng mga linens for laundry lahat kasi iba medyo may mga stains. And yun na nga yung rule namin as an Airbnb host. Yung security deposit nila is ma-void or tawag dito, forfeit kasi merong stain yung
Yes.
linens natin.
Actually, yung deposit kulang pa yun sa
Panlinis ng ano.
paglinis or
sa
pagpalit
stain.
if ever.
Oo.
Pero, wala tayong gagawa.
Pero it's part
We're not a
na,
hotel.
yeah, it's part ng ganitong business. It's part ng ganitong business talaga. So, we're still,
So maybe, we're gonna rethink pag mga ganong types of guests. We're gonna opt for darker shades of
Yeah.
sheets na lang.
kasi ang aesthetic natin is more on nude colors. So, baka pag ganong klaseng guest nga, papalitan na natin ng ano,
Yung darker shades na lang.
Black.
Para safe.
black.
Yeah, black.
Oo. So, that's it, guys. I hope you like this kind of content. Comment down below kung interested pa kayo makakita ng ganitong klaseng content.
So we're just gonna wait for 3 hours kasi 3 hours yung parking namin.
Yeah.
Pag hindi siya dumating, we're just gonna edit here. Mag-edit siya ng vlog. I missed Ellis also, so I'm gonna hang out here, watch some Netflix on the TV. It's
Yeah.
Saturday nga pala today, guys, and it's 1:46 p.m. So, that's it.
Okay, kain muna kami ng aming lunch bago ako mag-edit. Kung hindi na matagalating yung dinner namin. So, baon kami ng food kanina para prepared kami sa waiting time. So, I have here yung protein oats ko and then brown rice with corned beef. Ikaw, what you're having?
I'm having corned beef also with kimchi and adobo.
Adobo pala yun.
Yeah.
So, kakain muna kami. Hi guys, we're at SNR and dito na kami kanina pa pero bawal pala mag-vlog dito so nagmamadali na ako mag-speed ngayon. So mag-replenish lang tayo ng ating chicha earths for 2 weeks. Yan, kasi naubos na yung ano namin, yung mga binili last time. So,
Let's go. So,
Go.
tayo mahuli ko.
try natin no, pang sporting. Ready to heat na daw. Mabilis lang kayo.
Ready to eat.
Ready to heat. Guys, staple kong kunin dito sa SNR. Gusto ko yung ano na eh. Wala na yung shell.
Wasabi!
Aga.
Wasabi almond!
Oh, hindi na paalala mo. Aga. Ito. Favorite ko din to.
Super sarap daw.
Ayan, puro mga snacks tayo. Konting food na totoo. Puro snacks tayo sa SNR.
Yung ano mo dyan, setup mo dyan. The glamping setup. Hey guys! So it's already 3:30 p.m. 4:15 p.m. yung schedule namin with Tita Blinks for acupuncture. Kasi nung tinignan niya yung tongue ko tsaka yung picture ng body, sabi niya, I need a major reboot before our wedding. So, I'm so thankful kasi nasingit kami ni Tita Ninang Blinks today. And siya din, pinasend ko yung pinasend ni Tito Plinks yung tongue pick niya and kailangan din daw niya ng reboot. So, we're here today. We're excited to do a reboot, a reset, just in time for our ceremony next week. So yeah, naghihintay lang kami. Medyo malayo kasi yung place. It's in QC. But from Makati, malayo siya. So, inagahan na namin pumunta para less traffic. But it was still traffic. At least nakanilito kami on time. Early pa nga actually. We're an hour early. So yeah, inaantok na yung katabi ko kasi blinast niya yung aircon. So relax na siya dyan. So it's around 8 days na lang or 9 days before our wedding next week. And as much as I want to ignore it, nag-feel ko na yung wedding jitters. Dude, di nga sobrang, kasi wala talaga kaming program and all. Pero, kinakabahan pa rin ako. Pero more of excited naman. Pero andun pa rin yung kaba. Weird. Wala. We only have around 35 guests. Super
Ba't
intimate.
ka nag-vlog? Tutulog ako eh.
Ang iingay tayo kasi tutulog siya. So, yun lang. Kaya medyo nakaka-stress. Naka-leave na kami next week. Pero, andun yung feeling na this is the pre-leave of our leave. Ito na yung week din nagpe-preps na kami for haircut. May haircut kami sa Friday, siya sa Monday. And then, I'm gonna have my nails done. Yun lang naman. Makeup artist ko na yung bahala sa face. Hindi ako papalashes para siya na bahala sa lashes. So, yun lang. I'm just thankful kasi since wala kaming program, hindi siya huge wedding or anything. Hindi kami talaga hindi overly stressful. I think I can get maybe control freak when it comes to ganyang mga baka mag-micromanage ako sa suppliers if ever. So, buti na lang, wala. So yeah, para kami nag-DIY wedding. We won't have caterers, professional photographer and videographer. And syempre, yung mag-officiate. I'm so happy. Yay! Ang dead man ito. Groom. Na nakasmile naman.
Ba't ka kasi nag-vlog?
Mamaya, di pala nagre-record.
Napindot yan.
Okay, yun lang. So, I'm just excited for next week. Obviously, hindi namin pinaghandaan.
Tama na!
Physically, hindi namin pinaghandaan, pero bawi na tayo sa skin. Our skin is skinny. So, yun lang. Bye-bye! O, mag-nap ka na. Hey guys, we're inside now. May client pa si Tita, so just waiting here. And I'm admiring her equipments for Pilates. Oh yeah, she also teaches Pilates here in Quezon City. So if you're in the area, I'm gonna link her number below.
Guys, we're now at BGC inside City Hot Pot. We ordered luxury set 1. So, first time namin dito.
First time to try it.
So, we crave for hot pot after Act 2 session.
So, sobrang relax. Para kami kini-crave lang. So, we just want something light and soothing for our soul and body. I'll try the sauté. The sauté is nice.
Hi guys! So we're at SNR and mag-grocery tayo for 2 weeks worth ng mga chicha kasi naubusan na tayo ng ating mga kakainin sa gabi. Kakainin. Hi guys! We are at